Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Hello Kitty chocolate-covered strawberries. First, gather your fresh strawberries, white chocolate, and some edible food markers. You'll also need a baking sheet lined with parchment paper for easy cooling. This method is simple and fun, perfect for any occasion. We'll focus on creating those iconic Hello Kitty features with ease. Get ready to make some adorable and delicious treats. Begin by washing your strawberries thoroughly and drying them completely. This is crucial for the chocolate to adhere properly. Next, gently melt your white chocolate. You can use a double boiler or microwave in 30-second intervals, stirring until smooth. Hold each strawberry by its stem and dip it into the melted chocolate, covering about 3/4 of the berry. Place them on your parchment-lined sheet to cool and set. Now for the fun part. Adding Hello Kitty's features. Using a small amount of melted white chocolate, pipe 2 tiny, triangular ears onto the top of each strawberry. For the bow, you can use a contrasting color of melted chocolate, like pink or red, to create a small bow shape near one ear. Let these delicate details set for about 5 to 10 minutes before moving on to the final touches. To complete your Hello Kitty design, grab your black edible food marker. Carefully draw 2 small oval eyes and 3 tiny whiskers on each side of the face. Then, use a yellow edible marker to add a small dot for Hello Kitty's iconic nose. Once all the details are in place, chill your beautiful chocolate-covered strawberries for at least 15 minutes. They are now ready to be enjoyed and shared.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.